Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you are new, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you back. Sorry about my voice today. I'm a little bit under the weather, but yeah, I'm here. So MAC released the new holiday collection for this year, 2024. I already have done a whole review in the collection and I'm gonna link the video up there for you, along with some other videos I have done and may be fun to watch. And yeah, although I didn't like the colors for this year, I believe they offering a really good prices with a great value. So I picked up something for you and we're gonna unbox it together and let's get started. So let me take the box out. Ta-da! We don't need the bag. So I picked up the Golden Girls Mini Lustreglass Lipstick Vault. It's right here. Retails for $99. So I thought that this is a great idea for gift or for yourself. So let me go ahead and open it. Ta-da! That's a box. We don't care about the box. And also some plastic. Here it says MAC. Now, I have to tell that the case, the vault, looks really better up close than from the pictures, I saw on their website. This is definitely, yeah, it's a nice bag. It is a nice bag. That's interesting. So let's open it. Ta-ta! Oh my God! That's nice. So basically, you can keep it open like that on your vanity or whatever and take out any lipstick you want to use and then put it back. That's amazing. Wow. Yeah. To be honest, I didn't expect to be so pretty. Oh, wow. I like it. And the colors of the lipsticks looks, very good. So let's get started to swatch. So starting with the color Stealth Wealth. So, I'm so sorry if I am not, pronounce the names correct. Um, I have an accent, but yeah, that's a color. Oh, wow. I like this one actually. Let me swatch it for you. Yeah, it's a really nice brownie color with a little bit of shine. This is not totally matte. Yeah, I like this one. So I'm gonna put it back. Let's move to the next one. So the next one is the Dripping in Riches. Dripping in Riches. Let's see. Yeah, this is a little bit lighter and it's a little bit browny, pinky. Yeah, also this color is really good. Interesting. Well, the truth is you cannot go wrong with MAC lipsticks. All the lipsticks are amazing. Let's move to another one. This is the color Fun Money. Whew. Of course, money is fun. Let's see. Uh, yeah, also this is a darker color. And we're going more to mauve side. Yeah, pink, mauve thing. I like it. Oh, yeah. And then let's move to the fourth, which is the she owns everything. Interesting names. Let's see. Oh, okay. More pink. More pink. Yeah. So she owns everything. I like them all. Hmm. Interesting colors. Wow. And I believe, you know what? They going well with most skin tones. I love it. So we're ready to move to the second balcony down here. Let me go and clean my hands so we can see the next four. All right, moving on to the second floor. We have the immortal coral. Totally coral. A little bit orangey, I would say. Let's see. Yeah. It is okay. Yeah, it is coral, but you would say the orange comes, on top. So no, I don't like those colors. And I love most the, pinky coral. I guess I'm gonna gift this one. But as a color, I mean, it's good. If you are lighter skin, if you have lighter skin than me, lighter hair, I mean, this is good. Let's move to the next one. The next one is the majestic magenta. Oh, yeah, that's a purple one. Yeah, I like this one as well. But again, I don't think is good with my skin tone. Actually, it doesn't look, bad on my skin tone, but my preference is not, that kind of colors. But anyways, let's see the next. This one, I believe it has some pink in it, so I may like it better. So let's see. It's the party time. They write it party, like, the drink, time. That's amazing. Let's see. Oh, yeah, totally pinkies. Dark pinky, which I like. Oh, I love this one. Yeah, for me, on my lips, because I have darker lips, it may look like pinky coral. So, yeah, I definitely like this one. Wow. Yep. And last one for this balcony. Let's see. It's the expensive. Expensive. Okay. I don't know what that means, but anyways, let's wash it. I also love this one. Yeah, those two are pretty similar. So this one is a little bit lighter than this, but I love them both. They ending up looking pink coral on my lips, so I love them. Yep. And we are ready to move to the last floor, the last balcony. Let's see. Last balcony, let's see what we have here. The color is the highest level. Well, they put it in the lower level, but that doesn't matter. That's a totally brown color. Well, brown colors going with any skin tone, so of course I like this one. Now, it's a little bit weird to me that they put only shiny lipsticks in it. Usually they put matte. I mean, not usually they put matte in this one. I mean, usually they have a lot of matte colors that they are really good. So, but in this one, it's only shiny, which is okay. And also, I love the fact that they are minis. So you can try them, and if you like the color, you can go ahead and buy the full size. That's amazing. Let's move to the next one. The next one is the money maker. Wow. So wear this and you're gonna make money. Or not. Yeah. Red. Red. It has a little bit of orange in there. No. I don't know. It's a red. Although, I'm sorry, I don't like this red. I don't know why. I mean, in the tube, I like it. I don't like it the way it looks on my skin. But that's fine. I can always gift it. Then let's see what we have here. We have the jackpot. Oh, wow. So basically, you're making money with this and then you hit the jackpot. I don't know how this works. Okay. That's a cherry red with a little bit of mauve. Yeah. Well, I don't know if I like it. Well, I like it. Definitely, I like it better than this. Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. And last one, you guys. Satan. Oh, let me tell you the color. Hold on. This is the extra dessert. So you're getting an extra dessert with this. Interesting. Another brownie. Reddish. Yeah, that's a brown with a little bit of red. Okay, I like it. It's not like I hate it. So basically, I like the most of them, except two. The first one we saw, which was a little bit of orange, and this one. I believe this one I like it. While the time pass, I like it better. But what do you think? Did you like it? Look. Overall, it's pretty. Again, I like the way they organize it. I love the design. I love most of the colors. And you know what? Finally, I like the bag. Oh, yeah. You can leave it open in your vanity or not, or closed, or whatever. Or you can grab all your lipsticks with you like a handbag and nobody knows that it's lipsticks in there. They're going to think it's your handbag. I like this one. Yeah, that was a good choice. So what do you think? Please leave me your comments down below. I would love to read them. Do you like the colors? Do you like the price? Did you get anything else from MAC? I would love to know and I love to respond back to you. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'm gonna see you soon.